Hey guys, this is part 2 of the video. Trying to get it perfect so you can understand this is the hardest part of the video. So we want to use dot paper and the orthographic drawing to sketch a solid. So here's the orthographic drawing. So we got a top view, left view, front view, and right side view. This is kind of part 2 of this video. So there are 2 rows and 2 columns. The dark segments indicate that there are different heights. So understand that this is the top view, this is the left side view, and the left side view is kind of from the back of it. And then this is the front view, which means that we have 3 high, but this is another point that's not 3 high. So this segment, this right here, is only 1 high. And then the right side view is going to be, you could from the right side view, you'll see this front view and the back view. So you start out by looking at the top view. You need 2 rows of these. So you'd start out with 2 rows like right here and here, okay? And then you can see that it's 3 high, okay? The top view is not going to help you on the height. That's the height, and this is the height. So you got to go down 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's how high 3 high is. Now you got to make 2 of your top view. So you kind of got to get practice on that. I had to do that a few times. So I've already drawn this figure 3 times. The first one was terrible, and then these 2 I drew. So you got to kind of get working on how to draw a top view. So the cubes kind of go on an angle here. Okay, so that would be part of the top view. But understand, because of this L, this is going to be lower here and not 2 up. So you'll see that in a minute. Now this side view, okay, which is basically the front view, has 3 here and then 1 here. So 3 would be 3 down. So you're going to make 3 cubes down like so, like that. Okay. And now here comes where it starts to become more difficult. So I got to make this right side face. The right side is going to be 2, but you got to look also at the front. The front is this way. Okay, the front, oh geez, there we go. The front is looking at from here. Okay, so we got to look at both the front view and the right side view to get this next part. Understand the left view is kind of looking from the back. Okay, so we're going to have 2 sets of 3 blocks on the left side, which is kind of like the back. So from there we got to finish off this here cube and this cube. So that's how you finish off the top cube. Now we got 2 cubes at the top, which kind of gives you that part of the top view. But we got to do this part down here in a minute. And the left side view, we're going to go 1, 2, 3 down. So we got to do another set of these cubes here. Okay, so now we got 2 sets of cubes. Now, the hardest part is this next one, where it's 1 level and 2 levels, because you got 1 level here and 2 more levels up here. So the way you do that is you move from here, you make the cube out, out, and out like that. Okay, see how that goes down and out? And then you come straight down from there, okay? Like that. And then this comes across, and these 3 come across like so, and there's a level. See how you can see 2 levels, then that's 1 level, and there, see that L right there, which is this front view. The front view, as you remember, comes from this side over here. So that's the front view, and it has to be an L. If you stack 2 more on top, it would not be an L, and that's how you would do this picture. So let's double check to make sure the top view, if we look down from the top, we'd have these 2. I'm going to shade them. Those 2 and these 2 would be your top view. If you're looking from the top down like that. And then left side view. The left side view, remember, is coming from the back. So you can see that there's 3 and 3, and that would be the left side view. The front view is coming from this side. Remember, that's the front view. And so that's an L. So you can see that L right there. And then the right side view is coming this way. You see 2, 2, and 2. So this is the right side view. That's how you do that. You got to practice. Sometimes when you shade the top view, it helps it look more 3-dimensional. Okay, so then if we look at this next one, we have this, and this, top view, left view, front view, and right side view, and this will make this figure. And you see how they shade the top view? So the top view was this, so it's like an L-shaped top. And then the left side view, remember, left side's coming from the back. You'd have 3 of these. 3, 3, and 3 coming from the back. The front view is this way, so you have 3 up and then 2 and 2. So 3, 2, and 2. And then the right side view is going to be all 9. So 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So from the right side view, that's how that picture would look. Okay, so you would build it like I build it over here, which these would start and you'd go all 3 down. Then this would be your hardest part. It's not an easy thing to do. Okay, sorry to get that not squared up. Okay, next I want to talk about cross sections. So cross sections are the intersection of a solid and a plane. The shape of the cross section formed by the intersection of the plane and a 3-dimensional figure depends on the angle of the plane. So this is kind of real world situation where scientists are able to use computers to study cross sections of ancient artifacts and structures, determine the shape of each cross section of the pyramid below. So if you cut it horizontally, if that's a square based pyramid, then that's going to be a square. Even though that looks like a rectangle there, it's not, because if the base is square, that's square. Okay? If it was a rectangular prism, pyramid, if it's a rectangle pyramid, then it would be a rectangular figure, but it's a square-based pyramid, so it's a square. This, if it's cut on an angle, like sliced downward, like that, then understand that this length is going to be shorter than this length, so that actually makes a trapezoid, because that length in, I think it's green, is shorter than this length in orange because it's at the top, and at the top it's smaller, it's shorter. And then the vertical cut, if you cut it like straight down, right in the middle, you're going to end up with a triangle when you cut it vertically, straight up and down. Okay? And that's it for part 2 of the video. Sorry to get that off. Have a great day.